Hello and welcome, it's Emilia here. Today I'm coming with a tutorial for an exploding box base. I have few tutorials on my channel on decorating the exploding boxes in various styles and colors, but many people ask me about the tutorial for the base. I usually use the base which is press cord, but I can show you how you can do it at home with the paper you probably already have. My finished base is 10 by 10 centimeters, but I will provide the inches for you on the screen. To start with, I need two cards 30 by 30 centimeters, and the first card we will score at 10 and 20 centimeters. So 10, 20, turn the card and again 10, 20, or if you are using the not the board but the trimmer, then you can do 10 centimeters from each edge of your card. For the purpose of this video, I have a white grid for you so you can see where the scoring lines are, and the squares with the crosses need to be cut out. You can use a trimmer or the scissors for that. Try to do it as neat as possible following the scoring line. Basically, all four corners needs to go. Now we need to fold on the scoring lines and the bottom part of the box is ready. That is super easy. For the top part I will need a paper which is 20.3 centimeters. And I'm going to score at 2.5 and 5 centimeters from each edge. So you will have two scoring lines on each side. First on 2.5 centimeter and then the second for the 5 centimeter. This will give us a little square in the middle, and this square should have 10.3 millimeters. This is for our lid, and again I added a white lines for you to see where my scoring lines are and also how we need to cut off the corners. So here we will create 4 flaps, two on two opposite sides, and these flaps will connect our side with the other side of the box. As you can see, we've got two scoring lines or each edge. This paper will fold inside the lid, and you will see what I mean in the moment when I will be gluing all the parts together. After cutting off your corners, you should have two tabs on opposite sides of your box, but even if the tabs are in different places, it's okay as long as you have 4 tabs, because these tabs will connect the one part with the other. And it's easier when they are in the one side and then the opposite side, but sometimes when I do not pay attention, I just have them in the different places. Just have all flaps and then we can glue everything together. So I like to apply the glue. You can use tape here as well, doesn't need to be glue, but I like to apply on everything, and then I will just join these parts and create a lid. I hope my instructions are clear and you will be able to create your own base, as I love to make exploding boxes. They are great gifts, very unique, people love to receive them. So here we have the bottom and the top part of the box. It is easy to put the lid on, and of course, after decorating, it will look amazing. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let me know if this tutorial is useful to you, and I will see you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.